Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple cabbage stir fry recipe. This recipe is very simple but very tasty. We just need only 20 minutes to make this simple recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 small chopped onion, half teaspoon chilli flakes. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 250 grams of chopped cabbage. Also add 1 center slit green chili, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 5 minutes, we can open the lid. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add a half teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Stir every 30 seconds in between. After 4 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty cabbage stir fry recipe is ready. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.